Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the Sweet Ice Cream stamp set. I'm using the large Thank You scrolly font stamp for this sentiment of this card today. I love the versatility of this stamp set. I find that it could be used on a couple of different occasions. Here I have some designer series paper or pattern paper, and it is sized 3 3/4 wide by 4 inches tall. And what I did was I just cut off an inch. So that is going to be 2 3/4 wide now and 4 inches tall. So I flipped it around because there's a more subtle pattern on the back side. And the great thing about pattern paper, especially from Stampin' Up, or mostly from Stampin' Up, is that it coordinates with itself. So the front part, the floral part, which I'm going to use for my card front, and I flipped this part around so it's subtle. I can stamp on it. You're going to see that scrolly, beautiful sentiment really stand out against it. And this is Mary Merlot that I'm using. It's one of I think it's a color in the Fine Art Floral designer series paper. It is becoming one of my favorite colors, actually. This is a basic white cardstock here, and I am using my Stampin' Seal Plus. I sometimes have a struggle with this, but I do like it. So I like the adhesiveness of it. Sometimes the workings of it makes me mad. My team leader, the team that I'm on, she told me about this overhand flick thing, and it seems to be working. I have to use it a little bit more to figure out if it works for me. And one little trick that I always do when I do simple cards like this is I try to make everything even. So I look at the 3 sides. If 3 sides are even, the 4th side might be even if I have cut the paper correctly. So I always try to look at 3 sides when I'm putting down a piece of designer series paper. Simple cards, I've often said, are the hardest to create, or sometimes can be quite hard to create, because I always think that you will see error it's glaring. If it's crooked, or, you got a big ink smudge or something. Not that those things can't be overcome, but it is easier just to be accurate with simple cards. All right, so I'm putting dimensionals on the back of my sentiment piece. And I think that I will put it about 1.5 inches from the bottom. I always like doing things in the bottom third or the top third. I like things in 3. It's more pleasing to the eye. It's like an artist thing. I don't know. Anyway, now I'm coming in with the Artistry Bloom sequence. I cannot get enough of these. I was a part of my own embellishment share, and I will say that I still have lots. So yeah, I quite like them. Normally I don't like it, self-adhesive sequence, but these are the bomb. All right, so one last thing. Actually, there's 2 last things. I'm going to put Wink of Stella over the flowers of these artist impression. This is very painterly type of flower, so I really wanted them to sort of come through out of the paper. And I don't know, I'm just on a Wink of Stella kick. I mean, when am I not on a Wink of Stella kick? I'm not sure. Anyway, I put some Wink of Stella down on the flowers to make them pop. And then I noticed that my stamping of the sentiment, again, what I just said, it wasn't 100% perfect, and that's okay. Like sometimes you don't need to worry about stuff like that. But because I'm on YouTube, I thought I would show you a quick fix. So this is just, whenever I get the ink pad, I always get the marker, and then I just go over with the pen tip, and I just fixed my little mistake. You cannot tell when I look at it now that there was ever a little white spot. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.